student of class 6. Today I will teach you exercise 5F fraction. Question number 1. What fraction of 1 kg is? What fraction of 1 kg is 650 gram? So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so the required fraction equal to 650 upon 1000. 0 5 1 जा 5 3 जा 5 2 जा 0. It is 13 upon 20. This is the answer. 3. What is the cost of a dress? If 8 upon 9 of the cost of dress equals rupees 2400. So 8 upon 9 of the cost of dress equal to rupees 2400. 1 of the cost of dress equal to 2400 upon 8 upon 9 means 2400 into 9 will go up upon 8. Okay, means if in division fraction is there, then numerator will go up and denominator down. 8 1 जा 8 3 जा 24. Now 9 3 जा 27. 2700. So cost of dress, this is the cost of a dress. Cost of dress, one cost of dress or cost of dress, same thing. Okay dear student, is the answer. 5. Deepa makes a handbag from 1/5 meter of fabric each. Means fabric is used for one handbag. Fabric is used for one handbag equal to 1/5 meter, means 6/5 meter, and she had to enough fabric to make 12/3/4 handbags. So fabric is used for 12/3/4 handbags equal to 6/5 into 12/3/4, 6/5 into 48, 4 12 जा 48 plus 3 51/4, 2 2 जा 2 3 जा, it is 153/10. 3 1 जा 3 3 5 जा 15/10. When dear student, when you divide 153 by 10, because it is improper fraction, we will convert it into mixed fraction. 10 1 जा 10, 5 3, 10 5 जा 50, then 15/3/10. Okay, meter. Question number 7. Mohan did 1/2 of the work on Monday and 1/3 of the work on Tuesday. How much work will he have to do on Wednesday to complete the remaining work? Mohan did on Monday. Mohan did on Monday equal to 1/2 of work. Mohan did on Tuesday. Mohan did on Tuesday. Okay, equal to 1/3 of work, total work. Okay, he did in 2 days. In 2 days means Monday and Tuesday. 2 days equal to 1/2 plus 1/3 of the work. Of the work means we can make the denominator same. 1/3 into 2 will make the denominator same to solve this. 2, then by 3 you multiply up and down, then it will be 6, and you multiply this by 2 up and down, then it will be 6 of the work. It is 3/5 plus 2/2 3 is 6. Okay, it's 6 of the work. It is 5/6 of work. Okay, now what is the question? Question is there, how much work will he have to do on Wednesday? So remaining work he will do on Wednesday. Remaining work he will do on Wednesday equal to 1 minus 5/6. Make denominator 6. 1/1 we can write, then multiplies by 6 up and down, then it is 6/6 minus 5/6, then it is 1 equal to 1/6 of the work. This is the answer. Okay, in a library 1/5 book of maths. For 1/5 are maths book, 1/8 are science books, 1/12 are Hindi books, and rest are EVS books. If number of EVS book is 142, find the total number of books in library. Let total number of books in library be X. So maths books are in library equal to 1/5 of X, means 1/5 of total books. Then science books are in library equal to 1/8 of X equal to 1/8X. Then Hindi books are in library equal to 1/12 of X, means 1/12X. So total books equal to 1/5 plus 1/8 plus 1/12. Okay, of X, means this is X, we can write X. Dear student, either we write 1/5X or X/5, same thing. 1/8X or X/10, same thing. 1/12X or X/12, same thing. Okay, dear student, now we'll find the LCM. LCM of 5, 8 and 5, 8, 12. See, 2, 5 is not divisible, so we'll write it same. 2 4 ja, 6 ja, 2 5, then 2 2 ja, 3 ja, then 2 5 1 3, then 3 5 1 1, then 5 5 1 1 1. LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 5 3 are 15, 2 are 30, 2 are 60, 2 are 120. So we'll make denominator same. So multiply it by 24 to make it 120. We'll multiply by 24. We hide this. 5 you hide, 3 2 are 6, 2 are 12, 2 are 24. Okay, up and down. To make it 24, we'll 8. We'll multiply to make it this 120, by which we'll multiply, hide 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8 you hide, 15 is remaining. So by 15, x into 15. To make it 12, 120 multiply by 10. Then it is 24x upon 120 plus 15x upon 120, 10x upon 120. It is 39, is 49x, okay, upon 120. Okay, dear students, remaining books in library. Total books x minus these books. Okay, so x upon 1 multiply by 120, up and down, minus 49x upon 120. Then it is 120x minus 49x upon 120, 1 11 7 71 x upon 120. Now given EVS books, these are EVS books. Remaining books in library, these are EVS books. Means EVS books in library equal to 71x upon 120. Given, already it is given, 71x upon 120 equal to EVS book given 142, x equal to 142 into 120 will go up, divisor will become multiplier, and multiplier will become divisor. 41 ones are 40, 71 ones are 71, 71 1 2s are this. Okay, then 240, 2 multiply by 120 equal to 240 books in library total. Okay, total books in library equal to 240. This is the answer.